Hello Virgos, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is your love reading for the year 2021. Here we will try to find out what's coming ahead in your love life in the year 2021. So let's start. Messages for Virgos for the year 2021. Please Tarot, give us messages for Virgo for the year 2021. King of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands, Queen of Swords. Okay, Virgos. In the first quarter of 2021, I see that with the King of Swords, your partner is trying to control you. Your partner is being dominating. And with this King of Swords, this person is telling you that they are very experienced. You need to act according to their thoughts. You need to consider their views. And you know nothing about something that you are going to take on. So probably this person is interfering in your decisions, and with this Two of Pentacles, it seems like that things are illusional in the first quarter of 2021. They are trying to tell you as if you are a child what you need to do, what you need not to need not do, okay, right now at this point. But with this King of Swords, I don't think that you're willing to surrender. They are trying to take control of your life in every way. Possibly they are interfering with your financial decisions, because here I see Four of Pentacles. You are saving your pentacles and this person is taking you away. This person is trying to have those pentacles. This person is trying to make you spend in their way, and probably this has been too much for you. You're not saying something, you're not speaking up, but with this Two of Pentacles, it is clear that with this Two of Pentacles, things are not happening for the first time. It seems like that things have been happening all the time, but you always ignore these red flags, and this person is trying to gain full control of your life. And I don't think this relationship is mature enough to be so. I mean, with this Two of Pentacles, you feel like you are trapped into a chakra and you are getting again and again to the same point through the same way. Okay, now if we talk about the next 3 months, April, May and June, here we see Seven of Swords. You are trying to balance everything, Virgo. You are trying to fulfill the demands of your partner. You are trying to manage your work. You are trying to manage your family. You are trying to manage your personal space, and this is being too much for you. So probably something is going to happen. You are not going to end up into perfection, because I see that you're trying to be perfect. It's not in your control. A human cannot handle so many things at a time, but you are trying to do so. So possibly you will not be able to make even a single thing work, because I see that you met an accident here, and you're losing all the balance, and everything is just apart. Your family, your friends, your relationship, your work, everything is in chaos. With the Seven of Wands, now you want to escape all this criticism, all this blame. And with that, you are walking away. Probably you're going to tell your partner, look, I need a break. With the Seven of Wands, after all this, you are going to tell that you were expecting so much from me, and I was trying to balance everything, and look what happened. It's not my fault. I have been trying so hard to stick to this relationship, but every day you're asking for more, and I just cannot handle. And with this Queen of Swords, your partner seems to be getting bitter and bitter day by day in the second quarter of 2021. They feel like that you have left them alone. They don't understand your point of view, and there is a lot of misunderstanding in the second quarter of 2021. This person is badly hurt. They don't realize that you were in stress. They don't know what is wrong. They feel like they have been doing everything right. Probably they don't even realize what they were doing. You never spoke. You spoke only after things went wrong. Although this is a general reading, Virgo, this is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. So let's check some more messages for you, Virgo. Messages for the second half of 2021 for Virgos. Messages for second half of 2021 for Virgos. The Devil. Six of Cups. Eight of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Death. And Ace of Swords. Okay, if we talk about the third quarter of 2021, July, August and September, here is the card of the Devil. So someone is trying to take the benefit of your separation from your partner. Probably someone else is taking interest in your partner. They think that you are gone. There might be someone in this third quarter who will try to impress your partner, or who will try to flirt with your partner, who will try to have a relationship with them, or at least a good flirty time with them. But I don't think that this is going to work. No matter how your partner is, they are loyal to you. Their feelings are for you, and with the Six of Cups, they are indulged into the thoughts of the past. They trust you because they have spent a lot of time with you, and it might be a relationship that is there for a long time. I mean, at least for a few years. And with the Six of Cups, they are looking at every moment. They are cherishing every memory that they had with you. And this Devil will know that there is no room for them in their heart, and this Devil will have to go. Instead of entertaining them, I see that your partner prefers to work for the future. With this Eight of Pentacles, it feels like after all the drama, your person realizes that they need to have some responsibilities. They need to work on themselves. They need to help you. Okay? They now understand that you cannot balance these Seven of Swords all alone. They need to help you and you need their help, and they are there. They are trying to make up for all that. Whatever they said, whatever they did, and whatever they expected, now they understand that it was all too much. And with this Eight of Pentacles, they are totally focused on their work. And even in separation, I don't think they are even thinking of someone else. Instead of that, they're taking this time for self-analysis. They're working on themselves. They're thinking about you. And in the last quarter, if I talk about October, November, and December, with this Four of Wands, there is a lot of romance going on between you and your partner. You people are reuniting, you people are celebrating, you people are in love, and you people are committed. Probably this time you both are giving commitment to each other because you have already realized what you both need to learn. You have been through a lot, and you know that you cannot think of anyone else but of each other. And with the card of the Death, here I see that all the problems, all the issues that you have had in your relationship is going to end. And there is this card of the Death for the good. Everything that was creating distance between you is going to the grave, and it won't come back ever in the future. With the Ace of Swords, you people have full control over your relationship. You people have... what can I say? You people are independent. You are financially independent. You have this power to make everything happen, and you can take your life in the direction you choose to. There are no ifs and buts. There are no obstacles. So finally your sword is in your hand. However, you need to handle it carefully because it can make or break your future or your relationship. Okay? Let's check an oracle message for you, Virgos. Message for Virgos for the year 2021. Please, oracle, give us messages for Virgo for the year 2021. How will be their love life? The Miriam, sacred vision. Choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. Okay, Virgo, you need to forgive this person. They might be expecting so much out of you, but they truly love you. It is true. They don't know what they're doing because you're not telling them how you're feeling. Okay? So if you want to heal because you are also hurt, you also cannot think of anyone else but this person. So all you need to do is to just forgive this person. This person, I don't think, did all this intentionally. See the light in all. They have a lot of positive things in them, and you have a lot of positive things in you. So trust yourself and them. Remember that love has no boundaries. Love has no boundaries. Okay? You can always get into it, and you can always resolve your issues, and you can always have a future with your loved ones. Okay, so this was the reading for 2021. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.